Hello guys, how are you? Today I will tell current electricity. Define and explain electric current. The rate of flow of electric charge through any cross sectional area is called current. Its change Q is passing through any area in time, then current if following through it will be given by formula change time QA. Unit in the SI unit of current is ampere. If any coulomb charge passes through any cross section in 1 second, then current will be equal to 1 ampere. 1A equal to 1 ICS. Smaller units of current are milliampere, microampere. 1 mA equal to 10 minus A. Explanation: battery is one of the source of the current. The electronic reaction inside a battery separates of charge of set up potential difference between the wire across the battery of the charge, where we can move from the chemical to energy of the battery in changes to electrical potential energy. The electrical energy, potential energy, a form of energy, heat, light, sound, etc. It is only the remains the same. Instead of electrical potential energy, we use the electricity energy per any charge. Question number 2. Explain conventional current. Conventional current is defined as current flowing from positive to negative terminal of battery due to charges is called conventional current. Explanation: when the end of copper wire at different temperature add energy flow from the end of higher temperature end of the lower temperature, the follow steps. When both ends each reach the same temperature, water is a pipe also flows from higher level to lower level. Similarly, when a conductor is connected to battery, it pushes positive charge to flow current from higher potential to lower potential. The flow of current continues as long as there is potential difference. Conventional current produces the same effect as the current flowing from negative terminal to the positive terminal due to the flow of negative charge. What is galvanometer? Galvanometer is a very sensitive which is used to detect a small current as a circuit. Explanation: a current of few milliamperes is sufficient to cause full scale examination definition in it. While making the connection, polarity of the terminals of the galvanometer should be taken into consideration. The terminal of the galvanometer with red color shows positive polarity, while the black color shows negative polarity. Ideal galvanometer should have very small resistance to pass the maximum current in the circuit. After suitable modification, galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter is also connected in series, so the current flowing in the circuit also passes through ammeter. Okay, question number 4. What is potential difference? Write the name of its unit. It is very important question. Okay, answer: SI unit. SI unit of potential difference is volt. Expression: when N1 and A of conductor is connected to positive terminal of battery, when the potential of A becomes higher than the negative. Okay, the dispersion of the energy is accounted for the potential differences across the flow of light bulb. Unit of potential difference. This is very important. SI unit of potential difference is volt. A potential difference of 1 V across a bulb means dry coulomb of charge or 1 ampere of current that passes through the bulb consumes I joule of an light bulb. Question number 5. What is meant by electromotive force? What is meant by electromotive force? Okay, it is the energy supplied by a battery or few positive charge when it flows from electricity circuits, or it is the energy converted from non-electric forms to electric forms when 1 coulomb's charge is positive through the battery. For example, ANC energy equal to battery charge, where E is EMF, this is Y. Thus Y energy is converted from non-electric form to electric form, and Q is positively charged. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for another video.